Ayun na si Papa.
Mama!
Mama! Mama!
Di naman dito.
Okay lang. Okay.
Nayakap ko na yung anak ko.
Ay, naku. Ang tagal na din.
Hello, Des!
Thank you.
Ayun, may flower. May flower.
Wow, may flower pa tayo.
Ayan. Uy, Chase, ano ka man, no?
Dito, no? Kasi...
Pogi daw niya sa personal.
Dapat na kinantay mo ko sabihin ng pogi ng anak ko.
Nilala kita, syempre. Ang tagal naman ko. Mapayasa na ako.
Magji-gym na po kami.
Mag-walking tayo, jogging.
Bukas. Magkukuwinsa ka pa.
Asan na?
Where
Where do we need to pick up the dog?
Which airline?
Philippine Airline.
Do you know if it's coming in cargo or on a passenger flight?
A passenger flight. Yeah, because we are already outside in front of the information. They just finished customs.
Before you go to the custom, please pick up your baggage first.
Who finished customs? The person with your dog?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, then you just wait there. They'll exit through the doors where it says international.
No, they're already here outside because they have lots of baggage. So they gave us the baggage first, and when they tried to go back, the lady at the front here at the exit told us to call you guys.
Go back inside?
Yes, they need to. Yeah. Can they?
Can they go back?
Okay, let me connect you with them.
Thank you so
you.
much.
Stairs and speak to Philippine Airlines at the check-in counter. They should be able to help.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Bye. Dito tayo sa taas. We're going to pick up Xavier. Oh, someone's gonna come? Perfect. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Ubus yung pagkain. Wala siyang choice pa. Sevi! Sevi! Hello, Sevi! Sevi! Naalala mo pa ako? Hi! Hi, Sevi! Oh my gosh, she's so scary. Takot na ako dito. Ang laki ng kulungan. Love, nakatingin siya sa akin, oh. He's looking at me. Hi! Hello!
Parang pulis din. Ang sa akin yung
Oh my gosh, he's so scary. Bark? Bark siya? Hello!
I know. Gutom ka na?
Low, to daw, gutom na.
Nagsasalita, no?
Ganyan na nag-uusap pa sa ni Papa mo.
Sitting